get some trees in the background. Yep. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's so gross. And here we are, out in the natural wilderness. We're here to talk to our friend Emily, the nosy. She's been living out here for a while. She's been experiencing the smells, the tastes of the wilderness.
Okay.
So, why don't you wear shoes?
I don't wear shoes because I need to connect with the wilderness, and you can't do that when you're wearing shoes.
Tell me more about connecting with the wilderness.
Well, I've been out here for 2+ months in this here wilderness of the Lander Valley, and frankly, I've gotten to know trees and plants, lots of plants, and I've gotten to the point where I can airbend.
Show me.
I must take off my gloves for this.
Okay.
Okay, ready? You might want to back up. It's
Yeah,
a little.
okay.
It's a little.
Okay.
Oh, my shoes are sparkling.
What do you like to do on your spare days when you're not experiencing nature?
Well, there aren't any days where I'm not experiencing nature out here in the woods. But on some days, I like to take trees, measure them, and use Trig to solve problems because that just connects me. I know, all about nature.
So you're a mathematician.
I'm a nature-matician. So follow me here. We're gonna go to this here tree over here, right over there, and we're gonna measure it. You want a snack? I got some here grubs for you.
Oh! Thank you. Some real nature food here. Grubs. Not for me.
You might get out in this here tree, right here.
Yes.
This tree.
Yes.
Yes. These are like nice little hair things. Put them in my hair. My decoration for when I go out with the animals on Friday nights.
Oh.
But anyway, back to this here tree. So, you see over there, don't point with the camera. There's a rock. And there's a bird on that rock. Oh look, she's got a different rock.
This is the rock.
Okay, that is a rock that we're going to measure. And you see this here tree. It's about 10-some feet between that rock and this tree. You can tell by how much she's running. Now, honey, you need to get out more. Anyway, so this here tree is about 40 feet tall. And you can just tell because of how short I am compared to it. Okay? So, you see that bird over there? That dang bird. He likes to poop on me. But he's on the rock over there right now. And I like to measure how far he must travel to get to the top of that hair tree. So, we're gonna measure that.
So what do you use? What do you use?
I use Trig, ma'am. See, first I'll do the Pythagorean theorem. You know that thing, which is a squared plus b squared, which is actually, I like to say, aardvark squared plus bird squared equals cat squared. Yeah, so that. And I use that to come up with the length of the hypotenuse here, right? And that's the length that the bird has traveled. So I've solved my problem for the day, but I decided to go even further, deeper in. And I like to figure out that angle of elevation, how high up he's traveled in angle. So I use Sokotoa. He's an ancient nature god. And it basically...
Religion even.
Even. So basically I use sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse, which is how this god works. So we have the length of my opposite, which is my tree here. It's 40 feet.
40 feet.
And then we have the length of our hypotenuse, which is 41.2 feet using Pythagorean theorem.
Oh, Pythagorean theorem.
And you put that over each other, and this is where I use my handy-dandy calculator, don't tell them. And so...
She uses a calculator.
You're not supposed to tell them. But anyway, and that equals about 76 some feet. I think approximately.
Do you mean degrees?
That's what you mean. Yes, degrees. I got all confused in my conversions. But that is how I measure the angle of elevation for that bird over there.
Take it off, take it in, take off all the thoughts of what we've been. Take a look, hesitate, take a picture you could never recreate. Write a song, make a note for the lump that sits inside your throat. Change the lock.
Okay, ready? Yeah, go.
So here we have it, a nature extraordinaire, a bird lover, and a trig enthusiast. I don't know what she's doing, but looks like Holly McKee, reporter for National News, is out. And here she is, foraging for her food.
Okay, we're gonna bend with food.
Start again.
Okay, so when I start like saying, "Oh, here, birdie, birdie, come here, little birdie, birdie, you're gonna be my food." Oh no, don't take off, stupid little bird. Ah, 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 no, it fell. Ooh, yummy food.